He's looking at me. He's looking at me.
They're doing it again. They're doing it again.
I know they are.
I think y'all guys are
Staring at
stupid.
me. They're staring at me.
You put the mirror on, don't you?
They're doing it again.
They're at. They can hear us
Taught
from
you
where
the
they're
bird
at.
does the barbecue sauce, you know.
I think one of us coming up here.
Depends. It's like upload avatars or how many friends you have. I am social, but I
Y'all are crazy. Oh, what the fuck is that?
traumatizing.
Oh, they're coming here to bring the show.
They're gonna
Oh,
fucking hear
hell
now.
no.
You get
Apparently.
pushed to moan or trouble.
Oh, no.
Give us a show. Give us a show.
Don't ask for it.
But most often,
This is horrifying. Why would you want this, Ozzy? Why would you think these things to go at
I'm
it?
not social most of the time.
No.
Oh my god.
What do you mean, do we need to pay?
I think this is
Oh god.
Hey, get the fuck away from my daughter.
Legit, I'm happy my boyfriend's not here.
Demon, please tell me you're still recording.
I absolutely am.
He is too innocent.
I don't know if you could upload this on YouTube, but this is fucking funny as hell.
I am. If I can get
Put it
one
in the
copyright
server.
with Bedrock saying he's gonna stick his
no,
penis in the
you
grape, I can absolutely post two fish going at it.
I just want to let you know.
This is so.
Oh wait, one's a fish and one's just a big naked man. Let me turn these on. This is Hello
This is the
Sucker.
most
I'm
entertaining
Whisper.
thing I've ever. I did not expect this. I did not expect this today.
It's a black cat. Stuff like this happens.
Was
Suckers upset because somebody took his.
Abby's.
It's okay. There's a sparkle somewhere. I don't know. There's a sparkle somewhere. Through the wall or
Horrifying with
something,
it
I
on.
Hopefully it's not laggy at all.
Did you not see the sparkle plushie? There was a sparkle plushie. Oh, shook your.
I like
Well, damn. There's nothing you can do about shook your goose.
Oh god, it's bending over
There's
again.
a reason why I got my hair
Going at it
Oh, they're
again.
going at it again.
Oh,
Oh my god, they're doing
doing
it
a
again.
fucking handstand.
I approve you shook his goose. I approve of that. Do it again if you can.
Now look around your surroundings.
Oh my god.
Yeah, here's
Damn
something
it.
on my avatar. I don't know if
That is horrifying.
Sparkle, take it away from him. Oh.
Touch me.
Stop it.
Are they gonna do it again?
I think they're switching yoga positions. Because obviously there's no bones in that skull. It's all flat back there. That is very creative. This is very creative.
Mom, scared.
Witnessing.
I have it all.
This is the weirdest thing.
I've seen it
This
all.
is single-handedly the weirdest thing I've ever experienced in VR. And
Why is
fucking
it
two guys-
interesting?
Weird. This
Why
Republic.
can't I
This is
turn
violate
away?
Republic.
You said you blocked him, right? Because I blocked him too.
This is.
I'm so scared.
Stop giving them ideas for sex of this shit.
No, they already did that. Clearly, they've gotten to the master
I just
stuff.
walked away and came back.
Ditched your
And then the
physical
second time I
form.
blocked him. That was the second time.
I don't know.
Legit,
Oh,
he
what could
wouldn't.
possibly
He's
be
like, "Why
next?
does everyone hate me?"
I'm sure it's not over.
Came up and like sniffed you, and then he like sniffed me.
Definitely.
He said some shit too.
Well,
No, I think they're about to go back at it again.
I love that he literally said he smelled like shit and then literally kneeled.
What the
hole where there's spike traps and there's a bunch of cars that fall down on top of him and an explosion happens and he gets covered in dirt.
I don't like this. Oh my god.
damn.
you know what would spice this up if I invited I'm gonna invite Sharp.
Oh, okay. I
I'm
thought
gonna
you
invite
because
Slack.
you looked at. Why did you look at me when you said? You looked right at me when you said. You went. I'm
I
gonna
said
invite.
Sharp, and I was trying to remember
Oh,
Slap,
thank
and I
you
looked
so
ready.
much,
She said I was about to
Roach,
say
for
Slap, so I
showing me
forgot.
your ass.
Slapped his in a guy me. Slapped his in a. Yaimiko Avatar.
he's
I'm
putting-
gonna take it from him because I love Yaimiko. I love Yaimiko. I'm gonna take it from Slap. I'm gonna ask him for
Why
it.
are we like this?
You can actually see my PC stuff.
Because autism is funny.
Didn't notice that.
Uh-oh.
I was just messing around with
Getting
my
creative
track.
with it.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, lag, fun.
Am I never to touch the fucking plunger or any plunger for ever existence? They were doing it right on you the entire time.
I had an avatar that is like all.
He jumped on me! I don't think I could separate this from lightsaber.
There's not on me.
They're gonna use
That's
your
not
lightsaber
come
at the
anymore.
same time.
You know what? No, I'm putting it away then. I'm putting it away. I do not want to
Oh damn! You know,
Oh,
you
Robert
put the
Cheer,
whole
oh,
fucking wet
no.
plunger
Oh,
into the
Robert
gooch.
here. Let's go.
Oh no!
I don't know if Quest can see this, but you can
Sokka
I
put
see,
the
yes,
get
plunger that
Robert
was just
here.
up
Robert
the
needs to
guy's
witness
ass
this.
directly in
Robert needs to
Ina.
If you like do this, you can move it and place it.
And I'm still recording. I'm
Plunger.
still fucking recording. I haven't stopped.
I believe it will like pop back.
This is gonna be beautiful.
I'm like petrified.
You're missing this. You're missing this.
They've been going at it for like the past 10 minutes.
No, 10 minutes
Connect it and you can place it.
doesn't really justify all of this.
I did not make it.
my God.
Like the last
Can I have it
minutes.
turn?